Winnebago, the epitome of comfort and convenience, continues to strive for excellence. With a remarkable revenue of $2.4 billion in 2020, they prove their dedication. Embracing a simple yet effective motto, this model embodies the joys of home, away from home. Why reinvent the wheel when you can enhance its comfort? With 3 configurations to choose from, the most impressive one spans 12 meters, accommodating up to 8 people. Unfolding at your desired location, it offers an array of comforts. Experience 2 full bathrooms, a well-equipped kitchen with microwave, refrigerator, and stove, TVs ranging from 28 to 50 inches, adjustable air conditioning and heating, plush cinema-like chairs, a soundbar, and even an electric fireplace. Prices varied based on the model, with the advanced version starting at a minimum of $376,500. Pickup trucks have always been a hit in the United States, with the Ford F-Series selling a staggering 299,000 units in the first half of last year. But what if you could take your off-road adventures to the next level? Well, look no further, because 2 former Tesla employees have founded Lightship, a startup that has revolutionized camping gear. Their groundbreaking trailer boasts an integrated electric motor, unparalleled aerodynamics, and 3-kilowatt solar panels, ensuring a week's worth of power even with all appliances running. With a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a luxurious bathroom, this trailer is a home away from home. You can pre-order this marvel for just $125,000, and production is set to kick off by the end of next year. Get ready to redefine your camping experience with Lightship. Introducing a fusion of luxury and convenience, this remarkable vehicle delivers the ultimate experience. It seamlessly combines the comforts of a hotel with the freedom of a trailer, offering the best of both worlds. Perfect for a dreamy vacation, it accommodates up to 4 people within its spacious 9 by 2.5 meter interior. Prepare to be awestruck by its array of amenities, including panoramic doors and a spa-style bathroom. The sleek and functional design features a kitchen adorned with stainless steel, soft LED lighting, Corian worktops, an oven, and a stove. Underfloor heating adds an extra touch of coziness, while air conditioning remains optional. With its aerodynamic design and 6 comfortable beds, this extraordinary vehicle truly connects you with nature. So, does the price tag of around $87,000 seem like a fair deal to you? Behold the epitome of luxury, a 5-star dream house on wheels. Inside, an astonishing fusion of elegance and mobility awaits. What was once a trailer now transcends expectation, seamlessly blending the best elements of motorhomes. With dimensions of 7.6 meters by 2.2 meters, this hybrid wonder offers various layouts, including a 6-bed option. The interior boasts all the essentials: a fridge, cabinets, a kitchen, and a bathroom with a shower. The true marvel lies in the refined finishes, abundant woodwork, and a fabric ceiling. Smart walls conceal storage niches, while doors double as shelves. Starting at an attractive $46,400, this extraordinary creation sets new standards for mobile living. Prepare to redefine your adventures. Introducing the ultimate motorhome experience that will surpass your wildest expectations. Unlike its predecessor, this extraordinary trailer is a game-changer. Built on the robust Mitsubishi Fuso Canter truck with all-wheel drive, it guarantees an adventure of a lifetime. Step inside and discover a luxurious full bathroom boasting a shower and toilet, while a generous fuel and water supply of 300 liters each ensures uninterrupted journeys. With a mighty 3-liter engine delivering an impressive 175 horsepower, this marvel also offers a refrigerator with a freezer, an advanced audio system, satellite antenna, 2 smart TVs, and a Wi-Fi router. Prepare to venture into the unknown with the Azimoo Tepui model, seamlessly blending autonomy and comfort. Though prices are available upon request, reports suggest an estimated cost of around $330,000. Get ready to redefine your travel experience and unleash your wanderlust. Next up, we present an extraordinary motorhome concept that offers more than just equipment customization. It lets you choose the number of floors. These exceptional vehicles are proudly manufactured in Australia. Recently, a lucky customer received their astonishing 2-story marvel built on the Reliable Man TGA platform. Valued at around $2 million, this masterpiece boasts a second floor with 6 double beds, while the first floor features an additional bedroom, a spacious living room, a fully equipped kitchen, and a luxurious bathroom. Alternatively, the remarkable Tatra Phoenix serves as the base for a similar vehicle. Both versions offer all-wheel drive and a generous standard equipment package, including a 1-meter garage at the rear for storing spare tires, bicycles, and more. In 2017, the world of RVs, trailers, and camping was rocked by groundbreaking news that emerged from Dusseldorf at the Caravan Salon. It was there that the very first fully electric motorhome made its debut, leaving industry insiders and enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. The visionary designers behind this innovation emphasized the significance of electric mobility, acknowledging that while the initial features were not flawless, the potential for growth was immense. The foundation for their creation was the Iveco Daily Electric van, which proudly boasted its electric nature right off the assembly line. However, due to additional components, the range experienced a decrease from 280 to 200 kilometers on a full charge. Charging from a standard household socket required a patient wait of up to 24 hours. Despite these limitations, with a modest top speed of 80 km per hour, its somewhat melancholic appearance, and the potential for overheating under the scorching sun, this pioneering marvel has set a remarkable trend in motion. Embark on an extraordinary RV journey with the perfect companion. The creators of this trailer have something truly special in store. Brace yourself for the first ever remote-controlled electric rear ramp door, designed to make your life easier. Inside, you'll discover a spacious haven featuring a large awning and a sofa that effortlessly converts into a queen-size bed measuring 1.5 by 2 meters. The top-of-the-line version stretches 6.5 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width, providing ample space. Packed with essentials like 440 amp-hour batteries and a 2-ton winch, this trailer offers customizable options such as a refrigerator, bike rack, sound system, and air conditioning. Enjoy priceless moments with loved ones and favorite toys in this entertainment-filled oasis. All this can be yours for around $55,000. Your dream adventure awaits. Discover the true essence of off-road luxury with these ingenious Aussies. They've taken the concept to new heights, classifying their trailers just like high-end cars. Feast your eyes on the extraordinary E-Class. Starting at $78,000, it offers up to 6 beds, a hefty 690 kilograms payload, and a revolutionary water pumping system. But that's not all. Enjoy a shower, washing machine, toilet, 4G internet, folding furniture, induction stove, solar panel, air conditioning, and more. Arriving at your destination, unleash the barbecue party with ease. Unfold the awning and retrieve all necessary equipment within minutes. As you hop from campsite to campsite, rest assured that the specialized air springs, ventilated disc brakes, and shock absorbers will keep you comfortable. Get ready to redefine off-road luxury and embark on unforgettable adventures. Did you know that the Ford Transit van, known as the Pleasureway Ontour 2.2, has gained immense popularity? In certain countries, The term transit is used to refer to any commercial van of similar size. Over 6 million units have been manufactured, with many customized for various purposes. Today, we present the Ford Transit 350 AWD, seemingly ordinary on the outside, but concealing a fully equipped, compact apartment within. Its 6.4-meter length accommodates distinct areas, including a bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, and living room, offering all the comforts of a cozy lifestyle. The standard package boasts amenities such as a shower, ceramic toilet, vanity, sink, refrigerator, freezer, microwave, induction stove, a spacious 1.7 by 2 meter sofa bed with memory foam cushions, and a 24-inch smart TV. It's rightly dubbed the pleasure way. The only drawback? The price tag, starting at $174,000. Introducing the revolutionary creation, confidently claimed by its makers as one of the world's lightest and easiest towing travel trailers. This remarkable model ensures a mere 4-liter increase in fuel consumption for a 161-kilometer journey when hitched to your car. What's more, it boasts effortless transformation by a single individual. When folded, the most sought-after version spans a compact 5.5 by 6 meters. With swift deployment taking mere minutes, this trailer proves indispensable during inclement weather. Unfolded to adjust the height from 2 to 3 meters, creating a comfortable haven within. The standard package features a shower, toilet, LED lighting, kitchen, refrigerator, and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Optional extras include air conditioning, a 98-watt solar panel with digital controls, a bike rack, and other convenient additions. Priced at approximately $36,000, this innovation surpasses expectations. Imagine a remarkable creation that combines elegance with practicality. In China, experts have ingeniously transformed the MAXUS V90 van into a more modest version. They added an additional floor, allowing you to indulge in breathtaking views from a panoramic glass lounge upon reaching your destination. While it offers only one sleeping berth, the first floor boasts a spacious area of 20 square meters, while the second floor offers 12.4 square meters of comfort. These visionary Chinese experts are now planning to produce this marvel on a small scale, with a price tag set at $413,000. Get ready to embrace a new level of luxury and convenience. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the next era of human civilization? Look no further than Caracat manufacturers, who have introduced a groundbreaking innovation, a fusion of a trailer and a houseboat. With a range of models to choose from, their most compact version spans 6.6 meters and boasts a sleek fiberglass hull. This versatile marvel allows you to unwind both on land and water effortlessly. During transportation, the cleverly designed pontoons can be closed, reducing the overall width from 3.7 to 2.5 meters. Inside, you'll find a cozy seating area with foldable beds and a compact kitchen complete with a stove, microwave, sink, and even a wine refrigerator. Picture a narrow studio with an awe-inspiring upper deck, adorned with an inviting awning that offers an unparalleled vantage point to soak in the breathtaking scenery. The price for this cutting-edge marvel? A mere $143,000. Completing our lineup is the trailer that wraps it all up. This next one, however, brings a new level of brutality and compactness to the table. It immediately invokes the image of a velociraptor, a small yet fierce and agile dinosaur that can reach speeds of 40 kilometers per hour effortlessly. Measuring 5 by 2 meters, it offers a well-equipped kitchen, cozy living room, comfortable bedroom, and convenient bathroom. The kitchen includes a sink and gas stove, while the spacious 1.5 by 2 meter bed ensures a good night's sleep. Customizable options include a fourth bed, blinds, mosquito nets, and more. This trailer captivates buyers with its features and versatility. Experience the thrill and convenience of this remarkable creation, whether you're on an adventure or seeking a cozy getaway. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.